Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all, and I do just want to say I appreciate you guys helping me get to 1K. I don't go on Instagram often. I usually am on Instagram just once a week when we go out on date nights to take pictures and add them, which I totally forgot to do last Friday. So I actually got on there late last night and to add some pictures that I had forgot to add last Friday. And I saw that some of you had tagged me sharing my videos out and stuff. So I just wanted to say thank you. Even though I don't notice them right away, I'm really bad with social media, kinda. Like my go-to social medias are YouTube and Facebook. And so things like I don't do any of the others. Like I do those three. I do have a Twitter, but I don't ever use it. I get a lot of junk email, but I don't know how to sign in because I don't ever use it. So I mean, my main three social medias are YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, in that order pretty much. Like it took me forever to get an Instagram, and so I don't know, I just don't use it. I can only get to it on my phone because the app on my iPad is distorted and weird. So anyway, I just want to say thank you for those of you that have shared out the video and stuff. I appreciate you, I really do. Today I have Lavish. And of course, I don't remember how much it costs, so I'll put it on the screen. This is my favorite bath box that I currently get. I have gotten some and I have gotten rid of some. And I know that this one is kind of expensive, but I feel like it's worth the price. And also, just real quick, I do have giveaways going on, a two-part giveaway. So those are linked down below. Oh yeah, that's right. I always have a problem with this box. Seriously? Like, I don't understand. Ugh, there we go. Okay. Oh, it smells so good. It smells fruity. So I open it up and this is what I see. Oh, and then there's other information down there if you guys are interested. So it does tell you what you get, but it does not give you prices. And so I pull it out, and then this is what I see kind of going on in there. So I'm going to reach in and pull out this. I cannot read that cursive writing, but it says, "You Dirty Beach." And let's see, "You Dirty Beach Body Wash." Okay. Oh, I absolutely, and that's the thing about this box. I feel like this box nails the smells. Whatever the smell is supposed to be, I feel like they really nail it. It doesn't have any extra, what am I looking for here? You know, like if you have a soap and it smells like the thing they say it's going to smell like, but then it also has like a really chemical smell, or like a beeswax smell, or a silicone smell. I think that Lush does a really good job of not having that sort of stuff smell. Oh, that smells so good. So this is a hydrating body wash, and it's in Pineapple Crush, and it smells exactly like pineapple. Oh. It says it's scented in juicy crushed pineapples with a creamy orange sherbet. Perfect. The next thing I am pulling out is Tropical Beach Whipped Dead Sea Salt Scrub. Ugh, an apricot. Oh no, I'm sorry. I totally just read that backwards and saw the word apricot. Woo, get with the program. All right. Oh, that's so cute. So that's probably also an additional like little soap. What does that smell like? So it does have a beachy smell. I want to say, well, it says avocado oil and ground walnut shell. I want to say it smells like coconut before the coconut is cracked into, if that makes sense. Let's see, what does it say? This whipped scrub features ground walnut shells for extra exfoliation, chunky salts on bottom, and a super cute palm tree soap on top. Scented in sea spray, citrus, beach blossoms, seagrass, and driftwood. So it must be the driftwood that I'm smelling. I do not smell citrus. But I do smell those other things that give it the earthy smell that I think is what I attributed to the outside of a coconut shell. Okay, the next thing I am pulling out is Beach Please Bath Bomb. And it looks like that. I am using extra light today and I just blinded myself, so sorry about the shadows. And that smells very pina colada-y. I'm done smelling that. That's the thing about this box. I just love smelling everything. If you go back through my playlists and you actually watch me open this box, I'm just sitting there smelling this stuff. Okay, so the next thing I am pulling out, that's interesting. So this is Ruby Fizz, Sun-Kissed, Suntans and Tropical Cocktails, hand-poured soap. Okay, so I can't actually smell this, but this is what it looks like. And Sand in My Toes Bath Bomb is what I'm seeing on here. And this says Beach Please Bath Bomb. So and there's a bunch of little tiny writing, so it might be the same thing, I don't know. It says this cute bath bomb will make you anything but crabby. Scented in crisp apples, red berries, peach, and grapefruit with notes of cherry blossom, hydrangea, white jasmine, and a hint of vanilla. So I can't smell that at all through here, but I'm sure it'll be fine. I'm sure it smells like it says it's going to, because they usually do. And so this is Shell Yeah Bubble Bar. These things are not named the same. I like the puns that they are actually named, but this says Ruby Fizz hand poured soap. Ruby Fizz. And that Ruby Fizz is not on. So the things that are listed on here is Little Fishy Bath Bomb, Sun-Kissed Soap, unless this is supposed to, but it doesn't say Sun-Kissed anywhere on it. No, but that's it, because it says hand-poured beach ball. So this is the Sun-Kissed soap, even though okay, I am wow. I think the live I did today just made my brain go out one ear. So this is the Little Fishy Bath Bomb, and that is so cute. That is absolutely adorable. I can kind of smell it through here, but I can't point out anything. It says scented in Hawaiian smoothie, a blend of kiwi, pineapple, starfruit, and melons. I can kind of smell it through here. That is just so adorable. And then the last thing I am pulling out is Shell Yeah Bubble Bar. And that is this. Shell Yeah. And crumble this solid bubble bath bar under the running water for sea fluffy bubbles scented in pineapple, mango, papaya, and creamy coconut. Shell Yeah. Okay. All right, you go. Oh, that smells good. I can actually smell the coconut through this wrapping. I can't smell anything else through the wrapping, but I can smell the coconut. So that's awesome. Okay, I love it. I always love it. This is always a great box. I always appreciate this box. I hope you guys enjoyed this discombobulated video. Have a great day. Bye.